Perfect for players who want easier shots around the green, this guide highlights top tools built for confidence and control. The best golf chippers deliver smoother contact, improved accuracy, and effortless short game performance, helping you lower strokes with consistency. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Odyssey Golf Chipper. The Odyssey Golf Chipper is designed for golfers who struggle with consistency around the green and want something simpler and more reliable than a traditional wedge. Built at 35.5 inches with a familiar putter-like lie angle, it creates an immediate sense of control, especially for left-handed players who often face fewer club options. The stainless steel head and shaft provide a sturdy, balanced feel, allowing the club to glide smoothly through tight lies without digging. Its Uniflex profile offers just enough responsiveness for delicate touch shots while still providing firmness for bump-and-run approaches. The black finish gives it a clean and confident look, and the synthetic rubber grip feels secure in the hands even on damp mornings. What sets this chipper apart is how naturally it mimics putting motion. Players who tend to chunk or blade wedges will appreciate how easy it becomes to produce a predictable, rolling ball flight. The club helps simplify those tricky short game shots by reducing wrist hinge and keeping the stroke stable, which is ideal for beginners and high handicap golfers. Whether the ball is sitting in light rough or perched on tight fringe, the Odyssey chipper offers impressive forgiveness and reliable distance control. It's a straightforward tool built for golfers who want to take hesitation out of their short game and replace it with confidence. Number 2. Cleveland Golf Smart Sole. The Cleveland Golf Smart Sole series is crafted for players looking to remove stress, complexity, and inconsistency from their short game by using clubs built with extreme forgiveness. This lineup covers nearly every scenario: the chipper for bump-and-run shots, the gap for full-swing distance control, the sand for easy escapes, and the lob for high, soft landings. Each club features Cleveland's largest face profile yet, incorporating full-face grooves that expand the hitting area and provide cleaner contact even when the strike drifts toward the toe or heel. Cleveland's HydroZip technology enhances surface friction through advanced milling and blasting, ensuring dependable spin in wet or dry turf conditions. The UltiZip groove system adds tightly spaced, sharper channels that bite into the ball and clear away debris for purer spin and better stopping power. One of the standout improvements is the redesigned 3-tiered sole, which adds width and leading edge bounce to prevent digging while gliding effortlessly through fairway, rough, sand, or tight lies. This makes the Smart Sole lineup particularly effective for golfers who fear chunking shots or struggle with traditional wedges. The clubs feel extremely stable through impact, and the added forgiveness helps players achieve consistency without needing perfect technique. The Smart Sole series is ideal for beginners, seniors, and high handicappers who rely on dependable, repeatable results around the green. Number 3. Odyssey Wedge Chipper. The Odyssey Wedge Chipper is built for golfers who want a simple and confidence-boosting solution for short-range control, especially left-handed players looking for a reliable club that mimics the consistency of a putter stroke. Featuring a 35.5-inch length and matching lie angle, the club feels familiar the moment it is gripped, helping the user transition seamlessly from the putting green to short game situations. The stainless steel head provides a durable, solid feel through impact, while the matching stainless steel shaft reinforces overall stability and minimizes unwanted twists during the stroke. Its Uniflex profile delivers enough stiffness to maintain control on firmer turf while still offering smooth feedback on delicate touches. The black finish gives it a clean, sharp appearance, and the synthetic rubber grip offers comfortable traction that performs well in different weather conditions. What makes this chipper appealing is the ease with which it simplifies chipping. Instead of manipulating wrist angles or adjusting stance drastically, the golfer can rely on a straight back, straight through stroke that produces a consistent bump and run trajectory. This makes it highly effective for fringe shots, tight lie approaches, or situations where a wedge might feel unpredictable. Golfers who struggle with thin or fat shots will appreciate the extra forgiveness this club provides. Overall, the Odyssey Wedge Chipper is a dependable and straightforward tool for elevating short game confidence. Number 4. PGM Chipper Club. The PGM Chipper Club stands out for its unique two-way grind club face design, making it one of the most versatile options for golfers who want a tool that functions seamlessly for both right-handed and left-handed players. This design allows precise chip shots, controlled bump and runs, and even bunker escapes when technique demands versatility. The premium head material gives the club a solid, confidence-boosting feel while maintaining high fault tolerance, making it forgiving for beginners or high-handicap golfers who need extra help around the green. Its low center of gravity structure enhances stability and improves directional control by promoting smoother turf interaction, making it easier to judge distances and roll out. The ergonomic rubber grip provides strong traction and shock absorption, reducing strain and hand fatigue throughout the round. This thoughtful grip design ensures the club stays steady even during pressure-filled touch shots. Additionally, the section steel shaft helps dampen vibrations at impact and makes feedback more controlled and predictable, which can make a noticeable difference in consistent performance. Whether the shot requires precision from tight lies, a soft landing from light rough, or a punch-style bump and run, the PGM Chipper adapts easily. Players looking for an all-around short game tool that's forgiving, stable, and user-friendly will appreciate the PGM's balance of feel and reliability. Number 5. Orlimar Escape Mallet Chipper. The Orlimar Escape Mallet Chipper is built for golfers who want a high-stability, shank-proof alternative for navigating tight lies, fringe shots, and low-running approaches. Its hollow-bodied cavity-back construction distributes weight efficiently, giving players pinpoint control while still maintaining a generous level of forgiveness on off-center strikes. The glass bead face and top line not only add subtle texture, but also enhance alignment by framing the ball clearly, making setup more confident and repeatable. At 35 inches, with a loft similar to a 7-iron, the Escape Chipper encourages a putting-style stroke that produces consistent roll without requiring complex adjustments. The gooseneck hosel design is specifically shaped to eliminate the risk of shanking, which is a major advantage for golfers who struggle with wedge play. Crafted from stainless steel, the club offers long-lasting durability and a solid, stable feel through impact. This chipper is ideal for players who prefer simplicity around the green. Instead of trying to master multiple wedge types and techniques, the Escape allows the golfer to rely on a smooth, straight stroke that reduces mishits and increases control. Whether used in casual rounds or pressure situations, the club inspires confidence by providing predictable distance, easy alignment, and improved accuracy. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.